Alrighty guys, what's going on? Back for another video. And in today, we can look at the area here. We have a lot of down sticks and stuff from the December 17th windstorm, which I've covered quite a bit on. I just want to clear the area today, kind of rake it. The willow over there has lost a ton of stuff because those willows just obliterate sticks and stuff. They're very weak trees, they grow so fast, so we do have a little cleanup to do. I first want to start with the largest, rake in kind of the area here, and getting that over there, and we'll get that done, and then we'll move to the back and kind of see what might have drifted off that tree and kind of get everything cleaned. So it's gonna be a quick project, but I figured I'd film it just to show, kind of the damage that happened. This is a big stick. I'm gonna go stand here. It came down within a couple inches of the tree here. It's a pretty large stick. And it was just about a few inches from taking out my aspen right there. I mean, it was touching the trunk like that, so really lucky there, but let's get into it. Alrighty guys, and that is the area. So we basically just removed all the sticks and stuff that, especially in that December 17th windstorm, has fell. Be a little easier to mow in the upcoming season. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one. It is such a nice day out here. It's crazy that we can do these projects in January. It's just insane. So see you guys in the next one.